Experimental production of cutting oil with the AVS. The cutting oil we made is an ingredient in the preparation of 3 to 10% emulsion, used in the process of machining alloy, stainless, heat-resistant steels and alloys, in turning, drilling, cutting, reaming, threading, broaching and heavy-duty grinding, as well as aluminum alloy machining. To prepare 1 liter of the cutting oil, we used a 1.5 liter laboratory vessel. Before mixing, we added sodium sulfonate and Synthanol surfactant to industrial oil and heated the mixture to 80 degrees centigrade. Then the laboratory vessel was placed into the active chamber of the AVS unit and processed for several seconds. The laboratory analysis of the product was as follows. The process of cutting oil production with the AVS involves the following basic equipment: ingredient containers to load the components and heat them to process temperature, a portioning pump, an AVS device, and a finished product container. The temperature in the active chamber of the AVS device is 70 to 75 degrees centigrade. The production capacity of the AVS 150 is 5 cubic meters an hour, with the power requirement of 7.5 kilowatt-hour. We'd like to know what you think about this video. Please comment and let us know what other kinds of experiments you would like us to perform with the AVS.